Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis show. Let's start with Nifty 50 index. Yes, as we discussed yesterday, after a very huge momentum, the market will be consolidating, and the market was consolidated yesterday. And we said that if the market opens gap down, you could go for a selling, and your first target might be 15,820, which is this gap, and second target is 15,800, which is this region stop. And we hit the target today. So market gave a huge fall today, around 137 points, I think so, because its high is 15,880 and its low is 15,743. So it is around 137 points. After a huge fall, the bull tried to recover here. We say that this is a minor support region because this is the place where bulls were so strong. After a huge fall, the bulls recovered from 15,600 price to 15,780, 15,750, around this region. So this region is considered as a minor support. Now the market is closed around this region. So how could we trade tomorrow? If the market opens gap down, you could go for a selling below 15,730 and your target is 15,680. If the market opens flat, wait for the price action. You could only go for sell below 15,730 and not before that, because in this region the bulls will be stronger, so you have to wait for the price action. When you could go for a buy, you could only go for a buy when the market moves above 15,830. You could see a rejections over here, so moving above this region is very good entry for bull, and your target might be the previous swing, which is 15,900. You could close around 15,880. That might be a safe exit. Now let's move to Bank Nifty. And also Bank Nifty broke the channel, made a consolidation yesterday, and we discussed our target might be 35,100 and 35,000. It hit both the targets. And how could we trade for tomorrow? If the market opens gap down around 34,950, you could go for a selling, and your first target will be 34,780 and your second target might be 34,630. You could go for a buy above 35,150 and your first target will be 35,300 and second target is 35,500. So this is for Bank Nifty. And tomorrow is a Thursday. It's a weekly expiry day for options. In future we'll be posting videos on options, what is options and how to trade in options, what are the strategies we use to trade and adjust in options. So by subscribing our channel, you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading. Thank you.